Okay, this is part 2 of the celery video in which Mrs. Gagnon misspeaks and says that celery is a root vegetable, and it is not a root vegetable at all. It grows on top of the ground. Carrots are a root vegetable and potatoes are a root vegetable. So another little brain fart by Mrs. Gagnon. All right, so the celery, I got a phone call in the middle of the last video, sorry. But this is what I did, is I filled this one up with the green food coloring and water, this with the red food coloring and water. I put one of Bentley the celery's legs in each food coloring, and you're gonna see what happens. You're going to observe, and you're gonna let me know. You can share it in a Google Doc with me, you can put it on the stream, whatever you like. And you'll see something happen to the leaves. So make your science observations about the leaves, and you can slice the celery with a knife, put it on the cutting board and slice it, and you can look inside the cross section of the celery and see what happens there. My daughter is a chef, so we do need to talk about knife safety. If you are using a knife, make sure you have the supervision of a parent. Okay, make sure that your fingers are well away from the blade of the knife, and that you're always cutting away from you, that you never pull or push a knife towards you, always away. And when she's slicing things, she tucks her fingers underneath like this and slices so that she doesn't cut the tips of her fingers like this. Okay, so that's just a little interesting fact. So hold it securely if you need to cut, and then press hard. Use a cutting board underneath so you don't cut the counter. And that's all I have to say about that, and I hope you have a really great spring break. So that's part 2 of the carrot and celery video.